Hello and welcome to Affordable Backyard University, where you will confidently learn how to purchase backyard home improvements the right way. Come with us this week as we travel north, up to Salina, Texas, where we're going to take a close look at one of the most popular wood fences going now. It's a 6-foot horizontal side-by-side western red cedar fence. And we're going to see that next right here on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Hey guys, we are super excited to announce our new ebook, Affordable Backyard Construction Backyard Secrets. It's all the stuff most contractors wouldn't want you to know, and it's available free if you go to affordablebackyardconstruction.com. If you wait till the end of this message, or if you look down in the description, you'll find a link. Thanks a lot and hope you enjoy it. So let's go to the back of the fence first, where the bones really start. As I said earlier, this is a 6-foot tall western red cedar horizontal fence, meaning that's which way the pickets are running rather than vertically like you see most of the time. Now, as you well know, a 6-foot tall fence, those 0.95 wall thickness galvanized steel posts are plus or minus 8 foot apart, and they're 2 foot deep in the ground, secured with maximizer concrete. They're not going anywhere. Now, one thing you will notice is that there are 2x6 western red cedar boards attached to the fronts of those posts, and the reason for that is you have to have somewhere to nail those pickets. You'll also notice there's a 2x4 in the middle, because you've got to have more support so that those pickets don't bend and wave in the wind. That board's attached to the kickboard and to the top cap. You might notice that the fence we're talking about is a little different than the one on the left. The one on the left was a perimeter fence, and they've got nothing but acreage around, but they were putting in a pool, and from the street they wanted it blocked off, so we did this side by side on both sides of the house. Plus, you'll notice that they had us leave a little bit of room so air could come through also between the pickets. This picture is not very good, but you can see how the double 4-foot wide gates are hung and how well they are framed. Here's a much better shot of the other side of the gate. Look how flush and perfectly the pickets meet up. Look at the 3 heavy-duty hinges on each door. That's why they won't sag or drag. I'll also direct your attention to the vertical 1x4 that you can see off here to the left. That is to hide the joint where the pickets come together. This is a great time to point out the 2x6 top cap on top of the fence. See how the custom cuts around the gate so the gate opens out, which you have to do because it has a pool. You know what that music means. It's time for me to shut up, let you walk this job one last time, take a look at it, get some notes, and we hope to see you again next week on Affordable Backyard Construction University. Pick a topic, click on it, and get started.